Everybody, welcome back to the channel, our treasure home. And yes, I'm cold. I've got my jacket on. So I put this in the fridge for 15 minutes. No, it didn't set yet. So I did maybe another probably 30 minutes or so altogether, and it's still kind of like not like I want it to be. I'm ready to get this over with. I'm gonna show you. Woo! Almost dropped the phone. There you go. So this is, oh no, I don't know if it will do it. Now normally I would, if I go too long, it gets like hard really fast, and then I can't get it into the jar. And yeah, noise and everything. You gotta just bring it along for everything. So this is what my lotion looks like. And you know, oh goodness, I did go ahead and took that little plastic part off the cedar wood and poured some in there. Oh, that smells wonderful because you get the lavender and that cedar smell together. Then you hit that rosemary at the end. Oh yeah, that smells good. So I am taking this off. Yeah, paper towel. The spatula that I used, I dropped it on the floor, so I don't want to use that one. We have two of these. So just take your spatula, take it off, and then I'm gonna put it in one of these jars. And you can use the smaller ones, but I always put in this one. And I have a, we call them tongue suppressors, but the little one sticks that you make crafts out of. Oh yeah, this turned out really good. There we go. And I stopped it just at the right time. Well, like I said, if you want to use this at nighttime, you know, the lavender works really well to help you sleep. And any kind of a calming herb, that will help. And then, or if you want to do daytime, do a citrus. Or, you know, you can do, oh, there's so many different things. You got cinnamon, and then, oh, peppermint coming around, and wintergreen for Christmas. Oh, that's gonna smell good. And it did not, my purpose was not to make a lot at one time. A big, you know what I mean. Not to have 2 or 3 jars of it sitting around. And then I'll put a top on it. And there we go. And that will go upstairs. And of course, we say, hey, we keep it cold anyway, so this will stay nice and firm. And then here is my coconut that I did. I stuck it in the freezer so it would hurry up. And this one's got the frankincense, and it's got the rose hip oil in it also. So that will go. This is what I use on my face in the morning. So when I wash my face, this is all over body and face at nighttime. So I will let you know what I like about the honeysuckle oil, because I put I just poured it in there. I didn't really measure it, so maybe 1 to 2 teaspoons, maybe 3 teaspoons went in there, but it smells really good. I was like, oh yeah, it just smells so good, because I gotta write down what I put in there, because I change it up so much. So it's the lavender, the cedarwood, the rosemary, and I have to go back and watch videos so I can tell y'all what I put in there, because they're used for lavender and cedarwood. I remember because I couldn't get the thing open. Anyway, it smells good. I would be excited to use this tonight. So, well, tomorrow night, because I still have some left of the other one that I don't like, that I want to use it up first. And there we go. That's what I do. This is what I use. When it comes to my lotion, sometimes, and like I said, I'll change the oils up, or be olive oil, avocado, or grapeseed oil. This time I infused the grapeseed oil with honeysuckle. You can, do different herbs in there with your oils and see how they turn out. Now, last time I did it with my evening primrose, and that thing only got this tall and out back, and I'm just like, no, last year you're like 2 feet tall. So I didn't have my evening primrose, but I'm hoping to have my evening primrose back next year, because that was really nice also. Here we go. That is the lotions that I use. If you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home. Check out the links below. Later.